security all over. The crowd was just all amped. They was yelling and screaming.
When I did the first couple minutes of the game, it was pretty hard to top. Put it around his head, threw it off his butt. Got it back and reversed it off his leg.
From Terrell to Rock, Zeke Molly Vader Lot, been reppin' Painfield. Zeke Molly Vader Lot, been reppin' From Terrell to Rock, smooth criminal and gambling spots. Shoot dice to kill time, light handle will watch. Be careful where you bustin' your box. Narcos got the drop from snitching niggas with they.
YouTube, what's happening? It's your guy Hitch. Happy Sneaker Saturday, everybody. I thought about giving y'all a history lesson on the intro and how Kobe went to the Rucker in 2002 and shut it down, but I'm not gonna do that. Go do your Googles. What I will say is the EBC at Rucker Park is legendary and is arguably one of the best street ball courts in the world. And the Knicks have been trashed for so long, that might be the best basketball court in the city. But that's a different story. Most importantly, rest in peace to the Black Mamba. Back in 02 when Kobe played at the Rucker, his uniform was orange and white, and he wore white and orange Air Force One mids. And Nike gave us a very similar pair, but I'm glad they released these in a low-cut version because mids are mid. In the words of Jim Jones, and that goes for Jordan 1 mids and Dunk mids. They're all mid, to me personally. But the shoe is predominantly all white. It has orange stitching all around it. You also have the inside lining that's orange. The insole is orange. And then lastly, your outsole is orange. Some of y'all might be thinking that sounds basic as hell, and I ain't going to disagree. It does. But this sneaker is far from basic. When you take a closer look, they got details. And that's one of my favorite things about kicks. If I can get a storyline that goes with the colorway, I'm a fan. And of course, details is always a plus. And the upper has 3 different leathers. On your toe box and your quarter panel, you're going to have soft white leather. The tip wrapping around that toe box, the eye stay by your laces, and then the fox area wrapping around your heel, and that backstab all has a hardened, cracked white leather. And then lastly will be the basketball type of rippled leather on all 4 swooshes, and all 3 leathers were done great. The details don't stop there though. The party keeps going. On the tongue, you are gonna have a basketball net design mesh. And then you also have a orange and silver basketball Dubré with a Nike swoosh. And most people will probably wear the Dubré down at the bottom, but I'm gonna wear it just like I do my lace locks on my 6s and wear them in the midfoot area. When you look on the inside where that orange lining is, the insole actually has the basketball court for the Rucker Park printed on it. And down at the bottom is the Nike Air branding in black. And then lastly, probably one of my favorite features or details on the sneaker, and that's going to be your orange baby swoosh on the lower heel area. And on top of that is the Rucker Park zip code in black. That white and orange combination makes these a perfect summer sneaker. I have loved Air Forces, Uptowns, whatever you prefer to call them, since the mid-90s when I got my first pair. And I'm just glad that Nike is still releasing them in a good way. The details on these are on point. The storyline and colorway checks the box. And for me personally, these pay homage to the Beam Kobe Bryant. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm giving these a solid 4. The retail was $110 when they came out, but they did sell out when they originally released. The good news is Nike.com, Champs, and Eastbay have been restocking them. So you may want to check out those sites if you're not able to find them at any retailer. The other good news is the resale is not bad. I believe it's darn near at retail, so you should be good. Hit the comments, let me know what y'all think about these. Before you go and enjoy the rest of your weekend, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like the video and hit the bell so you know when I got new videos dropping. I'm out.
Kobe!
Kobe, guarded by Byron, his dreams come true, but not to get that done, not to get that done on national TV.
We was banging million on the table, clips grinding B. Lunchtime, broke days, Uncle Will, hook it up. Lunch line, got a couple dollars, get hot wings and cheese fries. Split it with my nigga, same homie since knee high. Wreck ball, GG Brown, Pop Warner, rowdy at that goal.